In this video, we are going to show you how to add an image in CorelDRAW. Now, you go to web.coreldraw.com if you don't want to download the whole app, and you can do this with your browser, right? So once you create an account and once you logged in, this is going to be your dashboard. This is where you're going to start, right? It says start a document, so you can choose letter A4 web. You can click more to see what type of document you want, and when you've decided to choose whatever document you want to play with, just click on OK, right? And it's going to load up that document for you. And this is going to be your interface. It's pretty much kind of like any other like Adobe software or app, which is their competition, right? So once you are here, you want to look at your upper left corner. It says File over here, right? It says File. So this is very important. So click on File, and then this pop-up will appear. You don't want to open a file. You want to import a file, right? So click Import. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and you can just choose whatever image or photo you want to add to your CorelDRAW document or file, right? So if you want to click this, this is going to be, as you can see, you don't see it yet, but if you hover your mouse, you're going to see this kind of like guide, this like right angle, right? So this is pretty much automatically going to give you the option to resize. If you click and drag, resize the image however big or small you want it to be, right? For your image, it can be small, it can be big. And then once you decided that, okay, this size is okay, just release your mouse like so. It's going to show the image. So that is how you add an image in CorelDRAW. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.